screaming, crying, throwing up right now because I'm in line to meet Ahsoka Tano. Well, Ashley Eckstein, she voiced Ahsoka Tano in the Clone Wars and the Rebels, and she also played Muffy in That's So Raven. She's here and she's meeting and greeting, and she has a collab launch with Disney, and it's launching in one of the stores today, so it's literally so early. I'm never here this early. 8:45, so we're in line and we're ready to go. Okay, we're heading in right now, so we have to go to Keystone Clothier. They said it starts at 9:30, but I don't know if that's the meet and greet with Ashley that starts at 9:30 and you can get in earlier. I already saw someone at like 8:30 walking out with the new merch, so I don't know how that happened. I don't know if there's like a line, but I am sprinting inside. Hopefully the Amazon resellers haven't like eaten everything up already. I don't know if there's like a wait at the door. Like, I don't know what's happening. So we're just gonna go and find out what's happening. There's 100% a line. Okay, well, that was kind of a bust. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm really sad. And I'm not sad to be at Disney, but I'm really sad because I was looking forward to this all week. Oh my God, the sun is literally killing me. I was looking forward to this literally all week. And basically what they announced is Ashley Eckstein, who plays Ahsoka, she's gonna be meeting and greeting in the beginning, like 9:30 to 11 or something. And like the park opens at 9 and early entrance opens at 8 for people who are staying at hotels. The shop would open at 9:30 and then people would get a chance to buy something, and like then once you bought something from her new collab that's like releasing, you would get a wristband to meet Ashley Eckstein. So by the time I get here, there's a huge line to get in for general admission, but they start expanding new lines. So I hop into that one and I'm literally like first in line at one of the scanners, ready to go once 9 a.m. hits. Okay, so I'm in line, I'm ready to go. I scan it, I run straight over to Keystone Clothier. So I get there, there's a line already to get into the shop. So I was like, okay, cool, they'll open it up at 9:30. I'll just wait here for 30 minutes. Perfect. I'm pretty close to the entrance. So I was like, great. So I'm waiting in line and there's a cast member like 20 people or 10 people ahead of me with an end of line sign. And I was like, what is that? There was a lady like walking around kind of along the line. So I asked her, is this line for the merch and the meet and greet like opportunity? And she was like, yeah, it's for the merch, but the meet and greet opportunity is like already at capacity. And I was like, it's literally 9:01. This shouldn't have even started till 9:30. What do you mean you ran out of wristbands to meet Ashley Eckstein? I mean, obviously I didn't say that, but I was like, okay. And she's like, you can still stay here though if you want the merch. And I was like, I do want the merch, thank you. Yep, I will stay in line. And she's like, yep, okay. Because it's not her fault. I'm not gonna yell at her. Like, I don't know whose fault it is, who coordinated this, who like did all this, but I'm also like the least confrontational person when it comes to things like this. Like, I'll just be like, okay, sounds good, thank you, bye. Like, and then my friend messaged me because he saw my story. He posted on my story like, hey, I'm at Hollywood Studios, I'm so excited for this. Which if you want to follow my Instagram, you can. I'll usually post like, oh my gosh, I'm at this park, haha, at, you know, on my stories. So if you want to follow along on that, then follow my Instagram. So my friend messages me and he's like, hey, I'm already here and there's a huge line already and it's getting filled to meet Ashley Eckstein, so you better get here fast, like if you haven't like checked, like gone through the ticket thing yet. And I was like, I can't, like I couldn't have because I'm general admission, I don't have early entry, I didn't book a hotel. And then I was like, also they already said that her like capacity, like the capacity to meet her was already full by the time I got in line at like 9 o'clock. He was like, yeah, I got here before 8 a.m. It was like 7 something. And I was like, and I know he comes from farther away, so I know he didn't book a hotel just to do this. Like, he comes from a bit farther away, so anytime he comes to visit Disney, he'll book a hotel and come stay for a couple days. So I know he was already staying at a hotel and got in early, but he got in before 8 a.m., meaning he got in around 7 something, went into the store, bought the merch, got the wristband, and got in line to meet Ashley Eckstein while I was still at home, like getting ready to go. Whatever. I know it's not the end of the world, so I'm not making a huge deal out of it, but it was like something I was so looking forward to, and like I want to be transparent with you guys, and most of the time I do make sure to like not complain and be super positive on whatever, just because like there is not really much to complain about, honestly. I'm super blessed and grateful, but just stuff like this really sucks. So I just wanted to, I guess, maybe as like a lesson, like in case something like this ever happens again, like be aware of the early entry people and that you can get in even before 8 a.m. sometimes. So just like be aware of that, I guess. All right, here is everything that I got. I missed out on the last Ahsoka Tano ears that were released, and I really, really liked those, and I'm sad I didn't get them. So I got these this time, and they say I am no Jedi on the side of them. and I love them. I like this like darker, like burnt orange look. I'm gonna wear them tonight for the saber meetup, but they're so cool, and I like the little headband that's on it here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have Ahsoka Tano ears finally. I'll have to wash this and show you guys in the kitchen, but I got the Ahsoka Tano tumbler, and I was like, at first I was like, oh, I'm not gonna get it. I have a ton of tumblers, right? No, because this one changes colors. It changes colors. So we'll go in the kitchen, I'll wash it, and then I'll show you guys. I'll fill it up with like cold water or something. But I do actually just like love this like faded design on it as well. And then I like that this one says Star Wars and it says I am no Jedi on the back. And then I just like that even the lid is kind of like, it's not normal, like it's not like your average tumbler lid, like it's slanted, so that's really cool. And then they had a ton of like shirts and sweatshirts and stuff to choose from. And at first I wasn't really gonna get one, but then I came across this one and I was like, ooh, I like it a lot. Which right now I have a like a Ahsoka Tano shirt on, but I made this one myself. I like drew it and I threw it on a t-shirt. It says Snips, and then in Arabic it says I am no Jedi. So I honestly think I'm gonna wear this one tonight just because it's more Ahsoka Tano-y, but I don't know. I might wear this, but this is the shirt I got. It says I am no Jedi, and then it says Star Wars on the back. Okay, here is the shirt and the ears and the cup. I am just literally branded their merch right now. Anyway, let me put the camera down a little bit so you can see. I wish you could tell me if I should wear this shirt or the other shirt. Like I might wear this shirt because I think the orange matches the ears more, you know? But anyway, this is essentially the final look. I'm like screaming, so hopefully you can hear me. But this is probably what I'll go with for tonight. But I really, really like the shirt a lot. And I also like that the back has Star Wars on it. So yeah, I think I might go with this shirt and the ears. Obviously, I'll leave this in the car. But let's go see this watercolor change thing now. Oh my, I'm so excited. We are back again. We're here at Hollywood Studios, and I'm back with my lightsaber. I totally forgot the SD card, so we're gonna be on the phone. I'm so sorry. I suck. Anyway, we're gonna go take some pictures and get some videos with the lightsabers. Check out my cool spins, bro. Okay, this is Noah. He's spinning my lightsaber, so I wanted to just show you guys his cool flow. My lightsaber and all the people with lightsabers. Everyone is so nice here. Definitely recommend coming out on a lightsaber meetup day. Okay, while we're still waiting for the meetup to start, we are just gonna go around and try to find a more open spot, and we're gonna try to teach Marissa how to spin her lightsaber.
I'm a noob.
And we also just took a bunch of pictures. Hold it like out like this, and then when you kind of like push it down with your wrist, and then let go with these three, so it just swings.
I feel like I'm using my arm more than you, but I can't tell.
I mean, I'm
like that?
Yeah, like I'm like flipping my. I feel like I'm flipping my arm.
Okay, for some reason it seems I feel like I'm more, but
You're gonna want to move your elbow, and then it like swings forward. So like when you go like this. Okay, we're in line now, and the line goes like really, really far. So we'll see how long it takes. We're going one step back. We're all in. It took 45 minutes. This is us. Go, guys, go.
oh wait, I don't think I'm tall.
I don't know. I'm definitely not going to see myself.
Okay, we'll know where ours because we'll put them like
Okay, close together. doing rainbow now. Now we're walking over to the Millennium Falcon. They're over there taking their picture now. Yay! Woo! Wow! Wow! Well, thank you for helping celebrate Ahsoka Tano Day! Ahsoka lives in all of us. Thank you for celebrating Ahsoka and being here. You know, today's been a dream come true. Look at all these friendship bracelets that everyone gave me. The theme of today has truly been friendship. And when I think of the ultimate friend, that is Ahsoka Tano. She is always there for us. It's the epitome of love and kindness and helping others no matter what. She is the ultimate hype friend. And so I thought for Ahsoka Tano Day this year, we could celebrate friendship and be there for each other, make new friends here, connect with one another, reach out to one another, and just celebrate Ahsoka in that way, because Ahsoka lives in all of us! Could I come right in the middle here? We got pictures with Ahsoka Tano, Ashley Eckstein. It was adjacent, but it was...
not expecting her to come out so close.
I know, me neither. She's so sweet.
I didn't expect her to come out at all, and then there she was.
I know. This makes up for me not making it to her meet and greet this morning.
Like even better, honestly.
Yeah, so good. I'm gonna crop it and it'll be a picture of the two of us.
Just the two of you.
Yeah, just the two of us.